Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm doing punch needle. I am so excited. Just wanted to show you. Oops, sorry about the fingers. Okay, so remember I did an unboxing. Oh, I pulled it too much. Anyways, I'll fix it. I bought this from Calgary, a local, and I don't use cotton fabrics with 5.5 millimeter. This is like a huge punch needle, so I did a big mistake with that. So I went to Dollarama and I grabbed this fabric. It's like, let me see if I can grab the tag. Threw it in the, tossed it in the garbage here. But if I can find it. You're looking for it, you can't find it, right? Anyways, it's in those art aisle section. It does stink though. It smells very bad. So it was like $3 I paid, and well, here it is. Here it is. I put it on the table, and I totally forgot about it. Okay, here it is. This is what it is. It's burlap sheet. Oh, okay. I paid $2, not $3. So this is good. You know, when you're a newbie and you're learning, you need to start with something cheap. And I'm using my leftover yarn. This is from the hat that I have crocheted. And this is the cardigan that I have knit. And I only had like one strand. And so I'm just using the yarn leftover. And I found these leftover. So I'm just hooping, punching as I go. I did order some more fabric, so they are on their way. And Temu, I haven't received yet. So I just wanted to show you so far how I'm doing. It's so fun though. And yeah, I pulled this too much. We're not supposed to be pulling in. I don't think I can do it with, I forgot to cut this. I need to cut this. And don't pull. When you pull, what happens, it's frogs itself. So this is the wrong side. And let me show you the right side. Oops. Just so excited. And this is the right. This is fantastic. I should have done this years ago. Actually, I do have a needle somewhere in the house and never had the chance to start with it. But just love this. It's like a rug. Yeah. So I'm going to continue making this. And it's working. I would highly recommend. Don't be shy if you want to start something like me. You know, why not? And this one has holes. But you know, when you're a newbie, you don't wanna waste your fabric, as I did on the unboxing. So I hope you like this. Just wanted to share what I'm up to, and I just love it, love it. Let me see if I can show you how I am making the punches. Let me just grab my thingy, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the hoop, and so I'm just going randomly. I didn't draw anything, so I'm just and then again the yarn has to be loose, so I just have this bit left. I needed the collar, and I don't want to hold the yarn, you know, tighten it. So I punch all the way to the end, and okay, I move this to the what was it, 5/4 on the 4 level. So pull it, drag it, don't pull it too high. I did it wrong, but I don't know why it's working. Yeah, I think I did it 2 space. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, I think it's working. So you have to push all the way to the end. See if I can turn it. Because I'm new to this row. See, there's a gap here. Can you see? Yeah, we don't want that gap. So I'm just pulling. What I'll do is I will pull it like this. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Yeah, don't make gaps. If we make gaps, okay, and I'm holding. See, the needle, the opening has to face the front. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, now it's working. Because I'm new to this, I'm slow. Let's turn the back, the front. Oh wow, look. See? This is nice. Well, this craft is new to me. And I'm dragging the needle, like I'm not pulling. Oh, see, the yarn is finished. I think I still have, I don't know. I do it until, and then what I do is I hold it like this, and then I pull it. See? And then we clean up. And let's cut this one as well. And this one was the beginning. This is the wrong side. It has to be glued, and I bought some glue from Dollarama. I might go to Walmart or, I don't know, Superstore or Home Hardware. Okay, or Canadian Tire, whichever. Okay, so again, I paid $2 for this fabric. And here are the measurements. It's from Dollarama. I wanted something fast that I can start, because the ones that I ordered on Amazon, I think it's going to arrive tomorrow. And from Temu, it's in Canada, so I don't know when it's going to arrive, but it takes 10 days, 2 weeks to arrive. So this is the measurements if you want something to start fast. And this is in French. So again, it's burlap sheet. It does smell bad though, so just a heads up. And this is the right side. So I'm gonna try to work on, there was a hole here, so I covered that hole. Thank God. There's another hole here. So you don't know what you're buying. That's the thing. Right? So, yeah. We'll see. I can make a small rug maybe. I don't know. I'm just going to use up the leftover yarn. And then we'll go from there. It's nice and soft. So I hope you like this short info that I have gathered. I'm going to be receiving more needles. I don't know which size they are. That's the thing. I didn't know at the beginning that these even had sizes. So today I went to Michael's, and they had a 6mm. This is a 5.5, so I don't want anything big anymore. This is enough. And there was a tiny one, but it didn't have the size at Michael's. There were two punch needles. I did make a video, and I posted on my Instagram page. That was a couple of days ago when I was there. I went today again to check, because I didn't have a clue what sizes were these until I received this one. This is a 5.5. And I really like this one. So I have the unboxing for this one as well. So I hope you like this short info, me punch needling, that has been added to my list. Uh, but again, it does not use up lots of yarn. That's the thing. So I'm just using these bits that I had left over. And, you know, look, it's a huge area that it already covered. So that's the thing. And I don't like this thingy. It bends a lot and it curls up. So well, I'm going to be receiving others. We'll see. And we'll go from there. Yeah, I will let you go. Guys, take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Bye-bye. I will show you how to thread this, and I will let you go. It's a little bit annoying though. Well, I'm using up these short leftover yarn that I had. I can't do anything with these, so I even saved these tiny ones. And then it, ta-da! So don't waste anything. You can always use them up. You guys take care. Bye-bye.